Hello student, today I am going to teach you the first chapter of your IT book, that is Introduction to IT and ITS Industries. In this chapter, you will learn about comparison of computer to humans, know about role of computer in various human fields, know about the various kind of IT enabled services of India, learn about the role of ICT in education. As you know, the computer is being used in various fields like banking, medical science and healthcare, marketing, business, entertainment, e-governance, science and engineering, etc. Most of the employees are engaged in IT and ITS industries as data entry operator, system administrator, system administrations, system analysis, peripheral technician, customer support executive, telecaller, etc. Most of the students these days study computers at school as well as college too. Even in rural India is becoming a part of these digital revolutions. Mobile phones, which are basically small computers, are in hand of more than 50% of Indian, according to the report. So the computer has some basic characteristic or features which make it more popular, and they are speed, accuracy, diligence, and easy to learn. A computer works at exceedingly high speed. The speed of the computer is measured in second, millisecond, nanosecond, etc. The difference between human perform and computer perform is that the speed are electronics in nature, while human can never reach such speed of work execution. Second one is accuracy. A computer work accurately, but the accuracy of the computer is depend by the input provided to the computer, which means if we input wrong data, the output is wrong, and if we provide right data, the output is right. This phenomenon is called GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. Third one is diligence. Diligence means a computer work endlessly unless met with system failure or power outage or human interventions. A computer does not get bored, unlike humans who sometimes get bored by repetitive work or slack off for no reason. Fourth one is easy to learn. As you know, the computer is a complicated machine, but it provides various interface to interact with the computers. Interface means the medium of interactions. The computer provides menu, submenu, buttons, icons to interact with the computer. It make the computer easy to learn. Next topic is Role and importance of computer in different fields. As you know, computer play pivotal roles in almost all employment opportunity these days. As every employee is paid some money. Sports, science research, social media, movies, entertainment are just some of this vast number of industries impacted by computer or related technology. Computer is being used in various fields like banking, medical science and healthcare, marketing, business, entertainment, e-governance, science and engineering, etc. In banking, the transactions of money is carried on through the internet. The banking operations are usually done in a secure way compared to other activities carried out on the internet. The bank provides password and OTP for secure transactions. Second one is IT in medical science and healthcare. In healthcare, medical science and healthcare, computerized machinery used for axial tomography machine. This machine is used to take 3D picture of internal organs. Second one is MRI, magnetic resonance imaging. This is also used to images of internal organ and part of determine what has gone wrong. ECG used to view the health of the heart. EEG is used to record of the activities of the brain. Blood sugar monitor to check sugar level in the blood. Blood pressure monitor used to record the blood pressure in the body. IT is being used in marketing also. Marketing means promoting a product, and you know advertisement play a key role to promote a product. In this day companies display their ad on popular website like Google, Quora, Yahoo, Gmail, etc. Moreover, the goods can be sold by the showing them up on the e-commerce websites and selling them to the customer. Actually, the companies display their ad on various popular websites. When a customer see the product, they can buy that particular product from their e-commerce site. IT also is being used in business. Most of the business transaction is going on through the internet. Different level of due to IT. You can buy a product sitting right on your home using your debit or credit card. net banking, etc. There are so many e-commerce sites like Amazon, Flipkart. They provides mechanism to buy or sell product online. In entertainment field, lot of the movies in theaters also have visual effects added to them using computers. This effect make the movies magnificence to watch. Cartoon movie are not all computers. The initial drawing work is done by cartoon artists. Thereafter, various artificial effects is added by various video effects tools. Movie like Jurassic Park, Avatar, Spider-Man, Avengers, and movie of this kind have a lot of graphics input in them by the computers. IT in e-governance. Digital India and e-governance initiative of the government have helped many government services to be online. Most of the government activities is carried out through the internet, like linking PAN card to bank account, collection of taxes, processing of documents like license, passport, voter card, etc. There are so many IT apps also like Bhim, My Government, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan apps launched by the Government of India. IT is being used in science and engineering also. Many of this science and engineering work is being helped by the IT infrastructure. For example, many of the physics experiments can be shown by computer visualizations of the activities that help to understand. Even in math, many of the operations on humans can be shown to happen in front of you by using animations. Cars many years ago used to be purely analog. Now, cars have significant amount of computer technology within them. In civil engineering, many of the buildings and structural design can be part be made on software. There is a software called AutoCAD which is used to design building. If approved can be built and made use of, there is almost nothing that the every growing tentacles of computer science cannot bring under its grasp. So IT is being used to carry out various activities in science and engineering. Next topic is IT enabled services of India. And IT service can IT services are seen as too many places now to need an introduction here. Then there are many processes that benefit inequality by the use of IT. These services are known as ITS, IT enabled services. Such services in IT domain are telecaller, customer care executive, system administrator, technical analysis, programmer, testing engineers, quality assurance engineer, programming manager, design engineer, etc. The first IT service are BPO, business process outsourcing. Outsourcing means to giving work off to other people, possibly due to lower cost of operations or better quality or both. This is a sizable source of income for countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Philippines, and other Asian countries. This service is often helpful in the following set of advantages. First one is customer care of big companies, financial sector and bank, testing of software items, healthcare professions. Next topic is ICT in education. ICT classroom has been made so that delivering lectures is easier and learning of the student better. There are so many online educational platforms like Byju's, Tougher, Simply Learn, Projo, etc. Using this site, you can learn online. Smartboard are used and visual technology is used to teach students over the internet. There are online encyclopedia like Wikipedia that are free to use and give a wealth of information to anyone willing to learn from the website. There are so many ebooks too. It has been found that paper books are still more preferred, but applications like Amazon Kindle are capable of storing hundreds of books and let you read the books as if by flipping page. Even the book that students study in their classroom and homes are made using a computers. The design and layout of the page and page size of the books are set on a computer, and finally the book comes in the hand after getting printed. You can search any informations that you want from the search engine like Google, altavista.com, MNS, MSN, MNS, etc. However, going where it has not gone before, IT helps explain the concept of science, math, and even engineering in a life-like real way. Okay, so these are the fields where IT is being used, and this is your first chapter, that is Introduction to IT and ITS Industries. Thank you.